Hey guys, it's Candy, and I've got a quick share here. I've been playing with the Blazing Poppy from Heartfelt Creations, and this is the stamp, and this is the die. And I mostly went off of several examples off of the Heartfelt Creations videos of how to make the flowers. So I just real quick want to show you a few flowers that I made from that set. The first one I made was kind of like the standard red poppy with the white, and I made two sizes just to try them out. I thought they turned out kind of cute. And I also used the mold that Heartfelt Creation comes out, and I didn't pull that out, but if you haven't seen that, that's really cool. You spray your flowers down, put it in a mold, run it through a Big Shot, and it comes out pretty much shaped for you. So then you just have to glue it together. So this is my first flower that I made. And then the second flowers that I made were these. And again, you know, I got the ideas and the colors right off of the Heartfelt Creations website for the flowers. So I actually made two of those. And then this was just super generic, right out of the mold. I actually did nothing but add the stamens for this one. And a little bit of yellow around the edges. So this is what it looks like completely if it comes out of the mold. And then this one, I just used a stylus to kind of press down a little more. So that's the only difference between. Same with this one, I just painted it up with some shimmer paint after. I've got a couple sizes of those too. And then I didn't use the mold on this one. I actually just wet this one down, and there's 3 flowers here, and scrunched them and glued them together, added a little glitter, and I did the same thing for the little ones. Just three, mushed them up with my hand and just glue them together. So they're, I guess, scrunchy flowers. But I thought they turned out okay. Not too bad. And then I saw a really cool video on... it just kind of came up random on my YouTube scroll, and I'm going to show you I used just the Heartfelt Creations dies for this, and I just use this one right here, and it's a video by Liz Russell, and I'm going to put the link below, and it's making roses or flowers out of coffee filters. And I am so excited on how they turned out. I'm going to pull them forward here. I did a whole bunch of different sizes, and I'll do a close-up here. And like I say, I will put the link below because it was super easy, and they came out super pretty. So I took 3 coffee filters, folded it in half, run the dye through three or 4 times, and colored them up to her tutorial the way she shows. But look how pretty this is. Hopefully this focus. Put some stamens in there, and like I say, I'm going to put the video link to her video because it's so easy to do. And she does such a great job explaining. And so I took just different sizes, put them together. There's 6 flowers, 3 small, 3 bigger, just kind of scrunched up together. And like I say, her video explains how to do it, but I just thought they turned out. And for the coloring on the coffee filters, I just took school paint, you know, the 8 different colors that you give your kids to go to school, and she shows you how to do it. But I didn't. She had the big paint watercolor set that you can get from Michael's for about $7-8. But I just took what I had and added a tiny little bit of paint around the middle and the edges, and the coffee filter just kind of soaks it up. And I did purple and red, but I just thought they turned out so pretty. Sorry, I'm wiggling here. But so 3 coffee filters made all of these. I hope you guys can see those. Quite a few for just the 3 coffee filters. So I'm gonna go to the dollar store and buy some coffee filters because I thought it was super fun. And I had some stamens here, but I just love the way they turned out. So I will put the link to Liz's video on how to make these coffee filter flowers. Like I say, they were super easy. And I will put a couple of Heartfelt Creation links to make these other kinds of flowers. And if you're interested in buying some Heartfelt Creation stuff, Huckleberry Herb and Art has some on her store. I've bought some stuff from her before and had wonderful customer service, so I'll put her link below too, just so if you guys are interested. I'm not sure what she has in stock right now, but she's a wonderful store to check. So us crafters like to support other crafters, so I will give you her information below too. But just wanted to share some of these flowers that I'm making. Hope you guys are all having a wonderful day, and we'll talk to you really soon. Thanks so much for watching.